So you want to start a business but don't have the right idea? Watch till the end. There's so much to learn in this video. The first idea I want to share with you is that of setting up a cloud kitchen. Now you will ask me that, Ishan, what is new in setting up a cloud kitchen? Well, let me first define a cloud kitchen. These are independent kitchens wherein you only have to take care of creating the food, creating that dish, packaging it, and sending it to the person via the Zomato delivery agents. What you have to understand is that there is no inherent cost for you to set up a cloud kitchen. You don't have to buy a new place altogether. You can do it from your own home. All you have to do is to work in partnership with a cook, with a maid. You'll find a ton of these cooks in your own township, in your own society, in your apartment, and you can hire them and ask them to create food for every single order you get. Now, the shift I want to talk about is in the way people order and the way people consume food. So, there is a huge growing population of people who do not have the time to prepare their own meals. Let me give you an example of Bangalore. So, according to Zomato, Bangalore is the number one city with the highest number of breakfast orders, whereas Delhi has the highest number of late night orders. So, you have to first understand what type of city are you living in. If you're in Bangalore, your focus should be creating a cloud kitchen which serves the breakfast orders. Whereas if you are in Delhi, you should focus more on the late night orders. Now, there is also a growing trend of people looking for healthier food options. People are bored with Boxate, people are bored with Fasos. They understand that a lot of these options are unhealthy. And that is why there has been a growing trend of healthier options. And companies like California Burrito are taking up that space and building a huge business empire. In the case of California Burrito, they were able to understand the similarities in the Indian cuisine and the Mexican cuisine. And they started preparing fresh, healthy meals for people who are working in jobs. I go to a lot of co-working spaces like WeWork in Bangalore, and the one thing I observe is around the lunchtime, there are a ton of orders on the reception desk of WeWork, right? And these are all people who do not have their own lunchbox, but they've actually opted to have lunch on Zomato, right? So that is the change. That is the shift. People are now willing to experiment. They want to have healthier food options. They want to spend on their own meals. And that is where you come in as a cloud kitchen. You identify that niche. California Burrito understood that Mexican food and make it healthy. Combine that and you have a highly popular brand. Once you identify a similar cuisine, for example, Japanese cuisine mein sushi is the highest margin food item out there. Like out of any food item you will order, sushi has the highest